Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a food truck park. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the food truck staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How do people find out where a food truck will be today? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we are, Mina. Look at all these trucks.
Wow, there are so many. What is this place?
This is a food truck park. Many food trucks come here on weekends.
A food truck? What is that exactly?
A food truck is a kitchen on wheels. It cooks and sells food, but it can move.
So it is not a building. The kitchen is inside the truck?
Yes, the whole kitchen is in the truck. It can drive to a new place every day.
That is so cool. So where do these trucks go?
All over the city. Some go to parks, and some go to office areas at lunch.
So workers can buy lunch fast?
Right. A truck parks near the offices, and people come out to eat.
That is smart. And how old is this idea?
Long ago, cooks used carts to bring food to cowboys. Some say that was the first food truck.
Cowboys? Like 100 years ago?
Even more. But trucks like these are new and popular now.
So it is an old idea with new food.
Yes, later the wagons became trucks.
And now there are so many kinds in one place.
Right, that is why a food truck park is so much fun.
Look, that truck has tacos, and that one has noodles.
Yes, every truck is different. That is the fun part.
And the smell, it smells amazing. I'm getting hungry already.
Good. We will try a few trucks today, one at a time.
A few? How much can we eat?
We'll share, a little from each truck.
Perfect plan. But wait, how did you know they would be here today?
Good question. I will tell you later.
Okay, now where do we start?
Let's start with burgers. Follow me.
Hi, can I order here?
Yes, this is the order window. What would you like?
What do people order the most?
The cheeseburger is our best one. Everybody loves it.
Then 2 cheeseburgers, please. And can you make them not too big?
Sure, 2 small cheeseburgers. Do you want everything on them?
What is everything?
Lettuce, tomato, onion, and our special sauce.
Yes, please, but no onion for my friend.
No onion on one. Got it. Do you want fries with that?
Yes, 1 small order of fries, please. We want to eat more later, so just a little.
Good idea. 1 small fries. Anything to drink?
No drinks here, thank you. We will get drinks later.
No problem. That will be $14.
Here you go. Where do I pick up the food?
At the other window, on the side. I will call your number.
Oh, there are 2 windows? 1 for orders, 1 for food?
That is right. It keeps the line moving. Your number is 41.
Got it. 41. How long will it take?
About 5 minutes. The whole kitchen is right here in the truck.
That is amazing. You cook everything inside this small space?
Yes, a grill, a fridge, and even a little sink.
I cannot believe it all fits. Where are the ketchup and napkins?
On the small table by the side window. Take what you need.
Got it. And can we get more napkins for 2 people?
Of course, take a few. Burgers can make your hands dirty.
Thank you. We will wait there.
Number 41, 2 cheeseburgers. Here you are. Enjoy.
Thank you very much. They look great.
Sam, look at this truck. Korean food and tacos together?
Yes, that is Korean barbecue in a taco. 2 foods become 1.
I have never seen that before. Is it normal here?
Food trucks love to mix foods. They try new ideas all the time.
Like what? Give me an example.
Some trucks make pizza with curry or burgers with kimchi.
That sounds strange, but also good.
It is, and it is hard to find this food in a normal restaurant.
Why do they try so many new things?
A truck costs less than a big restaurant, so it is easier to try new food.
That makes sense. Small and cheap, so they can be creative.
Right. If one new food does not sell, they just try another one.
So the truck can change fast.
Yes, come back next week and the food may be new.
So every visit is a little surprise.
Exactly. Food trucks like these became popular more than 15 years ago.
More than 15 years? That is not very long.
One famous truck sold Korean tacos. It told people online where it was.
Online? Like on the internet?
Yes, and that is the answer to your question from before.
Oh, that is how you knew the trucks would be here today.
Exactly. I follow my favorite trucks online. They post where they are each day.
So you just check your phone and you know where to go.
That is it. The trucks move, but they always tell you where they are.
What if a truck does not come? Do they tell you?
Yes, if they cannot come, they post that too.
So you never go there for nothing.
Right. You always know before you go.
That is so smart. I want to try that too.
You can. I will show you how later. Let's get drinks first.
Good idea. I am so thirsty now. Hi, I would like to order, please.
Of course. We have lemonade, iced tea, and iced coffee.
Is the lemonade fresh?
Yes, we make it here with real lemons.
Can I get a large one?
Sure. Large or small. You choose.
Then 2 large lemonades, please. It is so hot today.
Good choice. 2 large lemonades coming up. That will be $8.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, just tap your card here.
Oh, the machine is asking about a tip.
Yes, you can add a tip or you can choose no tip. It is up to you.
Why do people tip at a truck? There is no waiter.
True, but a small tip says thank you to the worker.
I see. I will add a small tip. You made these so fast.
Thank you so much. That is very kind.
Do many people pay with a card now?
Yes, most people do, but some still use cash, so cash is good to have.
Good to know. I will keep some cash with me next time.
Smart idea. Some small trucks only take cash.
Really? Then cash is important here.
It can be. A few trucks have no card machine at all.
I understand. So I should bring both, card and cash.
That is the best way. Then you are ready for any truck.
Is it busy here on weekends?
Very busy. The line gets long around noon.
Then I will come early next time.
Good plan. The lemonade is best when it's fresh and cold.
Thank you for the advice and the lemonade.
You're welcome. Here are your 2 lemonades. Have a great day.
Thank you. They look so cold and good.
Let's sit at that big table over there.
But other people are already sitting there. Is that okay?
Yes, at a food truck park, we share the tables.
Really? We sit with people we do not know?
That is normal here. There are not enough tables for everyone.
Okay, it feels friendly actually. Everyone is relaxed.
Right. There are no servers here. We carry our own food and eat outside.
And look, we have food from 3 different trucks on one table.
That is the best part. You can mix and share.
Burgers, Korean tacos, and lemonade. What a meal!
Try the burger while it is hot.
It is so good. I love eating outside like this.
Listen, there is music, families, even some dogs.
It's like a small party. A restaurant feels quiet. This is much louder.
And it costs less, too. Food trucks do not cost a lot of money.
Can I try a piece of your taco?
Of course. Here, give me a bite of your burger.
Deal. This is the fun of food trucks, right? Sharing.
Exactly. One table, many foods, and good friends.
I will remember this day for a long time.
Me too. Good food and good friends.
The weather is so nice, too. The sun feels good.
On a sunny day, this place is full of people.
Are food trucks open in winter, too?
Some are, but sunny days like this are the best.
I can see why people love this. It is fun and easy.
Some parks even have music shows at night.
At night? I would love to come back then.
We can. Now are you ready for something sweet?
Always. Let's find dessert. There it is. An ice cream truck. I want something sweet.
Perfect. This truck sells only ice cream, nothing else.
Only ice cream? No burgers? No drinks?
No. Many trucks sell one main food and they do it very well.
Why just one thing? A restaurant has a big menu.
The kitchen is small, so it is better to focus on one food.
I see. Small kitchen, one food, but the best quality.
Exactly. This truck has made ice cream for years.
So they know it better than anyone.
Right. One food, done the best way. That is the truck's secret.
I will get the chocolate one. What about you?
Strawberry for me. Look, they have so many flavors.
Green tea, mango, even coffee. How do I choose?
Take your time. They are all good here.
Do I get a cup or a cone?
You can choose. A cone is more fun, I think.
Then a cone for me, please.
A good choice on a hot day.
You know, ice cream trucks remind me of being a kid.
Me too. Some of them play music as they drive down the street.
Yes, when I heard the music, I ran outside for ice cream.
Many kids do that. The music means ice cream is coming.
It is a happy sound. I will never forget it.
For many people, that sound means summer is here.
This chocolate is so cold and sweet, a perfect end.
Many trucks and now sweet ice cream. What a good day.
It really is. Can we sit for a minute?
Of course. Let's rest over there.
What a day, Sam. I tried so many new foods.
You did. Burgers, Korean tacos, lemonade, and ice cream.
All in one place, and every truck was different.
That is the best thing about food trucks. You can try food from many countries in one park.
And it did not cost a lot. That surprised me.
Right. Good food, low price, and a fun place to sit.
I learned so much today. The order window, the pickup window.
And the tip screen, and bringing cash too.
Yes, big trucks often take cards. Some small trucks only take cash.
You remember everything. You learn fast.
I had a good teacher today.
Thank you, but the food helped you learn too.
One more thing. Next time, I want to find the trucks myself.
Then you know what to do. Follow them online.
Yes, I will follow my favorite trucks tonight.
And they will post where they are each day.
So, next weekend, I can say, the taco truck is here today.
Now you are a food truck expert.
Not yet, but I am learning. Thank you for today.
Anytime. The trucks will move, but we will find them.
That is the fun, right? Every weekend is a little different.
Yes, a new place, a new truck, a new food.
I cannot wait for the next one. Let's come back soon.
We will. There's always a new truck to try.
Next time, I will bring my friends too.
Good idea. If more friends come, we can try more trucks.
Let's plan it for next Saturday.
It is a plan. I will check online for the best trucks.
Perfect. I'm already excited.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How do people find out where a food truck will be today? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.